We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and pattern. Okay, guys, we are marking up GHC. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are looking for patterns in the structure. So let's work on a monthly time frame. We got to work our way down the time frame. We'll do so. Price action overall highs, price action overall lows, midpoint in the middle. Okay, so what did we see? Now we can see market came from some type of low here that pushed up to a high. So it looks like a W. So we look at that first leg, right? Pushed up that second, came back down for the third, pushed that for that fourth, got the retest, and the market pushed up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Huge consolidation in this area here. Pattern right in front of us. Multiple W's in here, but the main W that pushed that market up to this area of this high will be this W here, coming down with the first, pushing up for the second, coming down with the third. At the fourth leg, wasn't able to break the high, came back for a retest at that midpoint. Market pushed up once, twice, 3 times, four. Overall cap, market coming back down. Let's head over to price, where we was at that double top. So market came to a double top. After 4 pushes to the top, we got exhaustion. So that market was not able to push up further. So after 4 pushes to the top, exhaustion, market's doing a double top, followed up with a retest, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed down once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So overall market went into a area consolidation again. If we wait around, we'll be able to see that pattern form. The pattern that pushed that market down to that low is right in front of us, right in this area here, which we received was the first leg coming up in red. Excuse me. So this one's a little different because there's no first leg coming up in red. We have a spike up. So if we look at the first leg, if we had to stop at areas of resistance, powerful areas, it'll be right here for that first leg coming up. Second leg, third leg pushed up to that high. Market pushed down with a fourth, retesting that area right here. Okay, but we're going to use this spike up as that first leg. So market's coming up for that spike, coming back down in the red, and within that same spike, because that's the retest candle. Market pushed up in third leg with the white, coming down with the fourth leg, retest right by side by side. Candles retest. We have a doji and we have a bearish candle, and the market pushed down once, twice, 3 times, and average 4. So market's back at that low. If we wait in this area here, see if we see any type of consolidation of a pattern. Consolidation is there, or we wait to see if we see a pattern, which pushed that market up or down. Market pushed up, was respected by, if you read the market overall, it's respected by how many pushes down we got down to that bottom. 1 spike, 2 spikes, 3 spikes, 4 spikes, 5, maybe 6. It's about 5. Count these all together, about 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pushes to the top, 2 on this side, 1 in the middle, 2 on the outside. And if you want to look at the area near price, what drew it up was the double bottom and multiple retests. We had that first leg, second leg, third leg, 2 retests. Market pushed up once, twice, 3 times, 4. So market capped itself off at. Area we're paying attention to will be this area here for that market for structure that pushed that market up, and see if we can identify what patterns in that. Which is a W coming down in white. Coming down in red for the first leg, coming up in white for the second leg, third leg, fourth leg in white, third leg for the retest. Market pushed up. Got a triple bottom in that area, which pushed that market up to that high. Market's back at the high again. So we got to figure out what's going on in that high that did what? Push that market down, and it's sitting right in front of us. Pattern. Coming up in white, first leg, coming down in red, second, coming back up in white, third, retest, fourth, coming back down. Triple top overall in that structure. If you want to just read it from what drew price down, the market came from a double top and went back down to that midpoint. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. When we are looking at patterns like the ascending triangle, the market's working that way up, we'll see market test of area resistance side by side, having a hard time to break, but then the support side of working is way up, level to level. So one level here, second level, third level, until we get that breakout to the upside. If not, the market will come back down. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex break and retest strategy. So with the market of Forex breakout retest strategy, what we're looking for is the market to be at a low or a high. But in this case, we had a low. We got to figure out when the market retest to push up to a high. So at the low, we received a triple bottom. Market spiked up once, twice, three times, four. Four pushes to the top. Got the break of that midpoint. Market came back to retest. We're looking for that engulfing pattern. That's going to engulf the previous side. They have highlighted this candle. I will go with this candle. This candle engulfed the previous side. I pushed that market up to that high. Okay, guys, very important information. Please study and review all patterns in the market. It helps out with seeing the overall direction of patterns per chart. Hey, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. GHC, stop.